In this video, you will learn how to ask about and describe past events. This is how to say how was the activity. アクティビティはどうでしたか? The activity in this question doesn't have to be a concrete one such as a sport. For example, your friend told you that he or she went to Japan during the school holiday. You can say, how was Japan? In Japanese, it is 日本はどうでしたか? Your friend told you that he or she ate sushi, then you can say, how was sushi? In Japanese, it is 寿司はどうでしたか? To respond to this question, you would need to use either e-adjectives or na-adjectives. Let's begin with e-adjectives. You have already learned the past tense of e-adjectives in the itadakimasu song. Drop e at the end and replace it with katta. Have a look at number 1. It's delicious is おいしいです. To change it to the past tense, drop e at the end and replace it with katta. This remains. Let's move on to number 2 and number 3. Is strict is 厳しいです. Is happy is 嬉しいです. Now, I will give you 10 seconds to change these to the past tense. Ready, set, go. Okay, here are the answers. Was strict is 厳しかったです. And was happy is 嬉しかったです. There are two exceptions in e-adjectives. They are いいです and かっこいいです. The same rule applies, but there's one more extra step. Change the first e to よ. So, the past tense of いいです is よかったです. And the past tense of かっこいいです is かっこよかったです. Once again, please note that this does not change to でした. It is the e-adjective that changed to show that something was in the past. Let's move on to na-adjectives. Let me test your knowledge here. The sentence reads, ジャスティン・ビーバーは有名なです. Can you identify the mistake in this statement? If you want to finish a sentence with na adjective without a noun, then drop na. If you want to leave na, then a noun must follow, such as hito in this case. Okay, now you can focus on the past tense of na adjectives. The formula is straightforward and there's no exception. Simply change this to でした as you did when converting nouns from the present to the past. Look at number 12. Is terrible is 大変です. The past tense is 大変でした. Okay, now it's your turn to convert number 13 to 14 to the past tense. Number 13 is weak at is 苦手です. And number 14. Is simple or easy is 簡単です。You have 10 seconds to change these to the past tense. Ready, set, go. Okay, here are the answers. Number 13. Was weak at is 苦手でした。Number 14. Was simple or easy is 簡単でした。Well done, guys.